Welcome back. Now that you know how to find a verb stem, it's time to bring that verb to life in the present tense. Today, we're learning the most important endings in the Korean language, ayo and oyo. In this lesson, you learn exactly when to use ayo versus ayo, how to identify the last vowel of a stem, and how to combine them perfectly every time. In Lesson 1, we learned that ta is just a dictionary placeholder. To actually speak, we need an ending that tells the listener the tense and the politeness level. The yo form is your safe, polite middle ground. It's warm, professional, and perfect for almost every situation. You might wonder, why two endings? It's all about sound harmony. Korean likes to pair bright vowels with bright ones and everything else together. It's not about meaning, it's about how the word flows and sounds when you say it out loud. The rule is simple. Look at the last vowel of the stem. If that vowel is a or pu, you add ayo. If the last vowel is anything else, like hat, pu, sok, or so, you add oyo. That's the whole rule. Let's see it in action with stems ending in a consonant. For 살다, the stem is 살. The vowel is a, so we add ayo to get 살아요. For 앉다, we get 앉아요. And for 받다, we get 받아요. Notice how they all have that a or hoop sound? Now for everything else. Take 먹다. The stem is 먹. The vowel is 으, which isn't a or 흐, so we add 어요 to get 먹어요. 읽다 becomes 읽어요, and 입다 becomes 입어요. It feels natural because the vowels are harmonizing. Remember the Lego brick analogy? We take our stem, our brick, like 먹, and we snap on the ending 어요 because of that n vowel. The result is 먹어요, a perfectly conjugated, polite present tense verb ready for a sentence. When you're learning, try saying the verb out loud. The right ending usually feels more natural because of that sound harmony. But when you're in doubt, just fall back on the rule. Bright vowels, a or hu, get ayo, and everything else gets oyo. A common mistake is looking at the final consonant instead of the vowel. The rule only cares about the vowel. Another one is forgetting that ha also takes ayo. So 좋다 becomes 좋아요, not 좋아요. Always look at that last vowel. To recap, identify the last vowel of the stem. If it's a or ku, add ayo. For any other vowel, add oyo. Master this rule and you can conjugate almost any regular Korean verb into the present tense. In Lesson 3, we'll look at what happens when a stem ends in a vowel instead of a consonant, leading to contractions like 가요, and we'll meet the huge 하다 verb family. See you then!